Alpine Power Systems proudly supports the world's most demanding industries, including oil and gas. The oil and gas industry powers global infrastructure and everyday life. From exploration to refining, reliable energy fuels progress across the world. Even a moment of downtime can mean lost revenue and compromised safety. That's why dependable backup power is essential in every phase of oil and gas operations. We support upstream, midstream, and downstream operations, including drilling sites, refineries, gas plants, and corporate control centers. Our power products are engineered for rugged environments, from UPS systems and battery banks to generators and monitoring equipment. Alpine delivers expert field service, preventative maintenance, 24/7 emergency response, and system monitoring to keep your operations running without interruption. We help ensure regulatory compliance with NERC, FERC, OSHA, and IEEE standards, supporting safe, secure, and auditable infrastructure performance. Our solutions are built for extremes, with advanced battery tech, remote diagnostics, and durable systems ready for any environment. We support ESG goals with eco-friendly solutions, battery recycling programs, and responsible disposal for hazardous materials. With service locations across North America, Alpine is equipped to support oil and gas facilities wherever you operate. Learn more at alpinepower.com and explore how we keep the oil and gas industry powered, protected, and prepared.